fatto? Trattieni il respiro.
Don't worry about me. I'm flat. Well, then, guys.
Try my homeopathic cure, man.
What's in it?
You don't want to know.
If you were to like slash me, no slash a tailor and one then go
You gotta hang upside down, spin around like you touch your toe to your hood.
Hey, eat a drink of water.
Mater, let him down.
I got it. Oh I know, he was the AFK.
Hiccups are gone.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sal.